than 48 hours to go for the first phase nomination deadline, and the drama over seat share arithmetic in both ruling and opposition alliances continues. In the direct battle of alliances, while the ruling NDA has clinched their seat share formula, grievances and bickering over seats are still on. Trouble is brewing within the NDA as RLM leader Upendra Kushwaha has expressed displeasure over the Mahua seat being allotted to Chirag Paswan's LJP. He met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi for 45 minutes. BJP's chief negotiator in Bihar, Union Minister Nityanand Rai, was also present. Before the meeting, Kushwaha indicated that all is not well in NDA. But post-meeting, things seemed to improve.
माननीय गृह मंत्री जी के साथ मुलाकात हुई और उस विषय पर विमर्श हुआ और विमर्श के उपरांत अब हम उम्मीद करते हैं कोई कठिनाई आगे नहीं होगी। एनडीए की सरकार बिहार में निश्चित रूप से बनेगी। हर तरह से एनडीए में सभी घटक दल के लोग तैयार।
Kushwaha is not the only thorn in the side of the NDA. The JDU has released its first list for 57 candidates, while it has given away party symbols to over 70 candidates. Their first list clearly shows them asserting control over all 4 seats claimed by Chirag Paswan's party. Nitish Kumar has fielded Ratnesh Sada from Sonbarsa, Vidyasagar Nishad to contest from Morwa, Dhumal Singh from Ekma, and Kaushal Kishore from Rajgir. On Tuesday, BJP unveiled its first list of 71 candidates and it gave tickets to both Deputy Chief Ministers, Samrat Chaudhary from Tarapur and Vijay Sinha from Lakhisarai.
हमारा नंबर भी तय है और लार्जली कौन किस सीट पे लड़ेगा मुझे लगता है 99.9% वो भी सेटल है और पूरा एनडीए यूनाइटेड होकर नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ने जा रहा है।
On the other hand, Mahagathbandhan is yet to formally disclose its seat share formula. Suspense and tussle over seat share between Congress and RJD is yet to be ironed out. Sources reveal that the grand old party wants more than 60 seats, while RJD doesn't want to relinquish more than 58. The formula proposed by Congress, as per sources, goes somewhat like this: 135 seats for RJD, 61 for Congress. The rest 40 seats are to go to left parties and they are expected to accommodate VIP in this quota. CPIML released its list of 18 candidates on Tuesday and promptly withdrew as the Grand Alliance formula is yet to be revealed. The hitch reportedly is over final negotiations on the seats of Jale, Bahadurganj, Kargehar, Baniapur, Saharsa, Bayasi and Motihari.
महागठबंधन में ऑल इज वेल है। यहाँ कहीं कोई किंतु परंतु सिर्फ उटव्वल नहीं है। महागठबंधन इंटैक्ट है और मजबूती से चुनाव लड़ रहा है। जनता ने मन बना लिया है, तेजस्वी सरकार लाना है।
देखिए, पार्टी का उम्मीदवार तब फाइनल होता है जबकि आलाकमान का उस पर विधिवत दस्तखत हो जाता है। हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया है।
चर्चा कितनी सीटों पर?
हमको लगता है लगभग 60 सीट पर किए होंगे, दूसरों से 5 तो 10-7 तो पेंडिंगों होगा।
On Wednesday, Tejasvi Yadav filed his nomination from Raghopur in the presence of both his parents. RJD hopes that Congress comes on board in going ahead with Tejasvi as the CM face in the final campaign as other allies have. But the delay in clarity of the Grand Alliance strategy mounts pressure as clock ticks closer to deadline.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.